Hello to all, welcome to the channel Money's Gate Tech Vision. This one is 4 months preparation plan for GATE examination in the discipline of electrical engineering. Let me go to the presentation. GATE prior to preparation. Before the preparation plan, we have to gather some ideas. I will tell you one by one. Some of the points has to be considered. First point is sequence of subjects. Sequence of subjects should be planned properly for the preparation of GATE examination. So in this preparation plan, I have selected the sequence of subjects considering two factors. One is from the basic conceptual level to the standard application oriented level. I have selected the subject sequence. And other one is on the basis of priority level for the GATE examination. That means highest priority to the lowest priority. Which subject should be given highest priority for the GATE examination? Which subject should be given lowest priority for the GATE examination? From high to low level, I have planned. And then 4 months study plan is scheduled in this plan because normally GATE examination will be conducted during the February month. So I have planned for 4 months from October to January. October, November, December and January I have planned. And then daily preparation is needed for at least 4 hours. So you can extend to 5 hours or 6 hours as per your availability of time. You can extend that. So preferably morning 2 hours plus evening 2 hours is a better time. So you can select. You can continuously make 4 hours also. So morning 2 hours I have planned for morning 2 hours for the preparation, evening 2 hours for the problem solution. It will be better for the preparation. Daily preparation is needed for at least 4 hours. The next important point is at least 5 years question papers has to be solved and analyzed. If you are going to attend this year GATE paper means you need to collect last 5 years, previous 5 years question papers, 5 years GATE question papers has to be collected as the soft copy or as the hard copy, that is your wish. That has to be collected and that has to be solved and analyzed. There is a difference between solution and analysis. Solution means for the question, you have to do the formulation, you have to use the formulation, and you need to find out the answer, that is the solution. Analysis means you have to analyze the topic, from which topic the question has been taken out, and that topic has to be analyzed from the basic level to the standard level, and also other related problems has to be solved. That is the analysis. Okay. And then for common subjects, another one important point for common subjects. We know common subjects, there are 5 common subjects for the discipline of electrical engineering, electronics engineering and instrumentation engineering. That is network analysis, signals and systems, control systems, analog electronics and digital electronics. For those 5 common subjects, and also engineering mathematics is all common for some of the branches. General aptitude is common for all the branches. So for those common subjects, other discipline papers also has to be solved and analyzed. So these are the important points has to be considered prior to the preparation. So let me go to the preparation plan. So here I have scheduled for 3 months, October, November, December and January. 4 months. 4 months, October, November, December and January. I have taken the first month as October. So approximately I have taken 30 days only for the month. So we know some of the month is having 31 days. I have taken only 30 days for the plan. For the plan schedule, I have taken 30 days. So first subject I have put as general aptitude. General aptitude for 5 days. I have scheduled for 5 days. So what you have to do is previous 3 years GATE questions. Previous 3 years GATE questions has to be downloaded in 5 disciplines. Electrical, electronics, instrumentation is mandatory for electrical engineering, electronics engineering and instrumentation engineering. Other two papers you can opt. Mechanical or civil, chemical or computer science, that you can opt. Because general aptitude is common for all the branches. So you can opt 5 branches. Okay. So 1 year we are having 10 questions in each discipline. So for 1 year GATE question means we can analyze, we can solve and analyze 50 questions. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 50 questions in each year. So 3 years means 3 into 50. 150 will be there. So 150 questions can be analyzed and solved. Can be solved and analyzed. 5 days. So if you take, I have scheduled for 5 days. Each day 30 questions means 5 days, 150 questions can be solved and analyzed for general aptitude. So after the general aptitude, engineering mathematics. So engineering mathematics is also one of the common subject, and it is very important subject to get the high score in the GATE examination. So here 5 chapters are there. First chapter is linear algebra. So for that you have to do is previous 5 years GATE questions in 5 disciplines you can take out. You can take out 5 years GATE questions in 5 disciplines. Yeah, for each paper we will be having 2 questions only from each chapter. 2 questions or 1 questions will be there. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, nearly 8 to 10 questions can be solved and analyzed. Okay, here analysis is also important. Only solution is not important, analysis is also important. Related problems has to be solved parallelly, and for general aptitude also maintain separate notes or file for the general aptitude, and for engineering mathematics also you can maintain separate notes for the GATE solutions. Okay, that will be helpful for the final preparation. And here for linear algebra also I have scheduled for 5 days. And again another chapter, second chapter for engineering mathematics, calculus I have put. So for the second chapter, calculus also, I have scheduled for 5 days. This 3 plus 2 I have divided as 3 days is for the preparation with book problems and 2 days is for the preparation with the GATE problems. So I have scheduled for each subject like that only. Okay. 3 days is for the book preparation with the book problems. 2 days is for the GATE paper solutions only, and analysis also has to be taken out during these 2 days. Okay. And then the same month, first month only. So after finishing linear algebra and calculus, we can come for the our subject electric circuits in the electrical engineering discipline. Electric circuits, it is also common for those disciplines electrical, electronics and instrumentation, and according to electrical engineering discipline, electric circuits is the basic level subject and it has to be strengthened first. This electric circuits is the basic level subject and it will be the basics for the further subjects also. So for the subject I have scheduled for 10 days. 10 days the basic level concept should be strengthened first. 10 days I have scheduled for 10 days. 6 plus 4, 6 days is for the preparation with the book problems and 4 days is for the preparation with the GATE problems. Okay. GATE problems in 3 disciplines has to be solved and analyzed. During the preparation itself, book problems has to be solved. You can make the short notes parallelly, and at the end of the preparation, you can note down the pending topics. What are the topics has to be studied, that you can note. You can note down in the separate file. Okay, here also GATE solutions can be maintained separately for the electrical circuits. And then again engineering mathematics, parallelly you have to finish the engineering mathematics also. It will be helpful for the conceptual level strengthening also. Okay, so here differential equations, chapter 3 is differential equations. So here also previous 5 year question papers can be solved and analyzed. Okay, each question will be having 2 questions or 1 questions in that chapter. So you can solve parallelly. And here also I have scheduled for the differential equations also. I have scheduled for 5 days. 3 days is for the preparation with the book problems. 2 days is for the GATE solution analysis. So October month is over. And then second month, November. So already we have finished subject oriented topic, only the electrical circuits we have finished. And then second discipline oriented subject is signals and systems. Okay, after the differential equations, we can come for signals and systems, because for the signals and systems and control systems, this differential equations will be the basics. So you can come for the signals and systems and control systems, continuation with control systems. So signals and systems I have scheduled for 8 days, 5 plus 3. 5 days is for the preparation with the book problems and parallelly with the short notes, and 3 days is for the GATE problem solutions. Signals and systems is common for 3 disciplines, EE, EC and IN. So you can take out the paper and you can solve for that. And control system, with the continuation of signals and systems, you can finish the control systems. And control systems is also one of the important subject in electrical engineering discipline. And here I have scheduled for 8 days only. 8 days only. 5 plus 3. 5 days is preparation for book problems, 3 days is a preparation for the gate problems. At the end of the day, at the end of the preparation, you can note down the pending topics also. And then fourth subject, electrical machines. So electrical machines is also can be given highest priority because it is one of the important subject in the electrical engineering discipline for the gate paper. So here also for electrical machines also I have scheduled for 10 days, 6 plus 4. 6 days is for the preparation with book problems and 4 days is for the preparation of gate problems. You can make the short notes parallelly and you can note down the pending topics. And fifth subject, electrical and electronic measurements. So in the November month, only 4 days is there. So I have scheduled the electrical and electronic measurements for 4 days. Okay, 4 days. 3 days is for the preparation with the book problems. 1 day is for the gate problems. This electrical machines and electrical and electronic measurements is common for two disciplines only. One is electrical, another one is instrumentation. These two papers can be analyzed and solved. So here also these two papers can be solved and analyzed. Now November month is over. Next month, third month. So during the third month, fourth chapter. So I have put the schedule for fourth chapter in engineering mathematics, that is complex algebra. Previous 5 years question paper can be solved and analyzed. So here also I have scheduled for 5 days only. 3 days is for the book problems, 2 days is for the gate problem solutions. And electromagnetic, sixth subject I have taken out electromagnetic field theory because complex algebra is the basic for electromagnetic field theory. So you can come for that topic, and that topic it is common for electrical and electronics only. So that paper can be solved and analyzed, and during the preparation itself you can make the short notes. It will be helpful for the further preparation. And here I have scheduled for the field theory I have scheduled for 5 days only, 3 plus 2. Okay, so you can extend to 6 days or 7 days because it is also important subject. And during the December month, seventh subject I have taken out is power systems. So it is also important subject. You can give high priority for this also. I have scheduled for 8 days, 5 plus 3. 5 days is for the preparation with the book problems, 3 days is for the gate problem solutions. So this power systems is a discipline oriented subject, and it is only in the electrical engineering discipline. So only gate papers of electrical engineering can be analyzed and solved, can be solved and analyzed. At least previous 5 years question paper can be solved and analyzed. Okay, you can extend to 8 years or 10 years, that is your wish. Okay, you can make the short notes on that and you can note down the pending topics. And then eighth subject is analog electronics. So analog electronics is common for three branches, EE, EC and IN. So that can be solved and analyzed. So here analog electronics I have scheduled work for only 4 days. You can make the short notes and you can note down the pending topics. So after the analog electronics, it will be basics for digital electronics. You can finish the digital electronics, and for digital electronics is also common for those disciplines. Electrical electronics instrumentation, and also CS is also there. I didn't note it. Okay, so you can refer CS questions also for the gate problems. So for the digital electronics also I have scheduled for 4 days, 3 days plus 1 day. 3 days is for book preparation, and 1 day is for the gate solutions. And then another 4 days is there for December month, during the December month. So I have put for general aptitude. So during this 4 days, last 4 days, you can analyze another 2 years gate questions in 5 disciplines. In any of the 5 disciplines can be analyzed and solved, and after that you can revise the general aptitude problems. Okay, maintain separate notes for the general aptitude, engineering mathematics and subject oriented topics also. Now December month is over. Again, fourth month. Left out subjects are power electronics and engineering mathematics, last chapter. So power electronics is also important subject is the in the electrical engineering discipline. So I have scheduled for 6 days only. You can extend to 8 days or 9 days because it is also important subject, and it is discipline oriented subject only in the electrical engineering. The syllabus is there, so you can collect that papers only, that last 5 years paper, and that can be solved and analyzed. So you can make the short notes parallelly, you can solve the book problems, and at the end of the preparation you can note down the pending topics. 4 plus 2 as divided 2 days is for the gate solutions. And then last chapter, probability and statistics in engineering mathematics. Here also previous 5 years question papers can be solved and analyzed in at least 5 disciplines. So here I have put 6 disciplines. You can opt for 5 disciplines. Okay. So for the probability and statistics only, I have planned for 4 days only. 3 plus 1. 3 days is for the preparation with the book problems. 1 day is for the gate solutions. So total 100 days preparation is scheduled up to January 10th. Up to January 10th. 30 plus 30 plus 30 up to January 10th. So 90 plus 10, 100 days preparation is scheduled. So after this January 10th, what we have to do, what we can do, I will tell you one by one. From January 12th to January 11th to 22nd, nearly 12 days are there. You can attend one GATE mock test through online. That means in IIT website there will be GATE mock test series. So in that series you can attend through login. You can log in and you can attend that test. The timer will be there. 3 hours will be the duration. You can attend like the final examination, and you can get this. You can attend like the final examination. Or offline means if you are not having the availability of that online means you can attend offline. You take the previous to previous paper, GATE 2015 paper or GATE 2016 paper. You can take the print and you can attend through offline, and you can analyze that paper with answer key and solutions. So yeah, 1 day is for attending the practice test, 3 days is for the analysis of the paper with answer key and solutions. And then after that, after one mock test, you complete the pending topics. What are the pending topics you have noted down? So that pending topics can be completed during this 8 days. Okay, 11th to 22nd. So for the completion of pending topics, I have scheduled for 8 days. And then from 23rd to 26th. So after the pending topics completion, you can attend the second GATE mock test through online in IIT website, or offline test you can attend. So after attending, you can analyze the paper with the answer key and solutions. Okay, so for 4 days I have planned. 1 day is for attending, 3 days is for analysis of that paper. So after attending, 26th will be over. From 27th January, revision of topics with the short notes, with the help of short notes and GATE solutions. So maintain separate files for short notes and separate files for GATE solutions in each subject oriented topic. That will be helpful for the final preparation during the competitive examinations. This will be helpful for you. So this is the preparation plan for electrical engineering discipline. As per this plan will be helpful for your preparation in the GATE examination. Prepare well for the GATE examination. This is Mani's GATE Tech Vision. This is a channel for engineering competitive examination. You can subscribe to my channel and you can view the lecture series regularly. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you.